The sensors for the Captain 6, you can have up to 2 temperature sensors. It comes with standard with 1 temperature sensor. You can add the second one. The standard is 1, and then you can also add a humidity, you can add a rain sensor, and you can add a wind speed. So that allows you to do a couple different things. The 2 temperature, the humidity, rain, and wind speed. The 2 temperatures allow you to split zones to have one vent and like 2 different high tunnels. The humidity allows you to snap a fan on when it gets too humid. The second thing a humidity can do for you is open a vent so many seconds or just partially to allow some of the humid air to escape. The wind speed allows you to shut vents when it gets too windy. The rain, that shuts vents when it starts raining. So the rain only affects the vents. It shuts when it starts raining. The wind speed simply shuts the vents when it gets too windy outside. And the humidity opens a vent just a little bit or snaps a fan on. And the temperature sensor allows you to split zones.